everyone, Coach Cass here. I just wanted to pop on here real quick. Welcome to my kitchen. One question that I get quite frequently is, how do you stay motivated? Which I find that to be an important question because we do live in such an unhealthy culture. Just so many people not eating the right foods, hitting drive-through lines, like focusing on convenience foods. So what keeps me motivated? What keeps my family on track? So I thought I would share with you just a short series. So today I'm just hanging out in my kitchen creating a new recipe. So that's one of my tips and tricks that I follow, is to just challenge myself to try one new recipe a week. This week it was actually 2, recovering from an illness, just spending a little more time at home and having time to kind of play in the kitchen. So today, I'm following a clean keto diet. You may be following a different food plan, but just looking up whatever it is, if it's low carb, clean keto. So some of the words that I use are low carb, clean keto. Sometimes I'll do a Whole30 recipe. So just looking up things like that. So if I'm hungry for something, I just kind of use one of those search terms and I get on Pinterest or Google and look up whatever it is. So I had some chicken thighs that were thawed and I just wanted to try something new with them today. So I'm doing a sheet pan chicken thigh recipe. So this is, I quartered some Brussels sprouts and I actually am using a little bit of bacon. So 4 pieces of bacon that I had thawed. I used avocado oil and then just some salt and pepper and put this in a bowl and mixed it together and then placed it on a sheet pan like this. So just quartered Brussels sprouts, avocado oil, salt, pepper, and some bacon. So gonna be really delicious. And then this has some spices in it. So this is actually pasture butter. And it has cumin, black pepper, coriander, paprika, and cayenne. So all of those spices in here, and I can give you that breakdown of the recipe, of what it is in the recipe. So I have chicken breasts thawed here, and I'm just gonna put the butter with the seasonings on the top and kind of stir that together. I already have my oven preheated, so you want to preheat your oven to 450 and just mix in your seasonings and spices. I wish you could smell it in here. It smells really delicious. So this has the seasonings and the spices, the pasture butter, and then also 2 cloves of garlic minced. So minced just means chopped up really finely, so you don't get a big hunk of garlic in your food. So once you get the spices mixed in with the meat, you can just place it right on top of the vegetables. And then you're gonna stick it in the oven for about 35 minutes to cook. So just, healthy food can taste so delicious. It doesn't have to be pizza or pasta for me, and actually I prefer not. I know pizza is one of the most addictive foods in the world, but I actually really enjoy veggies and meat quite a bit. So that is very simple for me to keep it low carb, and it just trying something new and keeping the flavors fresh really helps to keep me motivated and on track. It makes me want to continue on this quest for good health. So that is one of the tips that I wanted to just share with you. Just get in your kitchen and just try something new, and just challenge yourself to get in there. With when I'm health coaching clients one-on-one, at first I think it's really important to keep it simple so that you don't get overwhelmed with too many new things. But as you start to get into a healthy lifestyle, it's really important to start collecting recipes that, make you feel really satisfied. So that is one suggestion that I have for you. I do health coaching one-on-one. So if you know someone that could really, use the one-on-one guidance, please send them my way. There's even on the Facebook page, there's a book now button, and you can get right onto my schedule. An initial consultation with me is complimentary. So feel free to book with me and continue to watch this series, because I'm going to just continue this every day. Just a short little thing on just how I stay motivated in such an unhealthy culture. So everybody have a great rest of your day.